is the day I move to New York City. I'm literally half asleep right now. I'm gonna get up. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey. I am a 22-year-old who is now living in New York City. I literally just moved in yesterday on May 9th. It's May 10th right now. As you can tell, my room is definitely not put together, but I am living with friends and I am so happy and blessed to even have this opportunity to live in New York. I know it's like such a dream for so many people, but this is my first day after moving in and I'm gonna document my week. But last night I literally don't have blankets, so I like threw it up. I threw on clothes. That's how like brain dead I am right now, but I'm gonna get ready and then head out. It's like 8 a.m. right now. So this is my outfit to run errands in. We're gonna go check out 2 gyms nearby. Well, not really nearby, like 15 minutes away, like a walk. And then we're gonna go to Target and Trader Joe's. But I have this set that's surprisingly from Hollister. Like I saw this on the mannequin and I ran in and I was like, I need that, it's cute. Oversized men's hoodie from H&M, and then these shoes are like from Bershka. But yeah, this is the fit for today. We're at the second gym. I got coffee. It's Crunch Fitness, so hopefully they're nice and they don't try to like scam us, because a lot of gyms do that.
There's gotta be like, okay, so that means I feel.
So we just finished touring Crunch, but I think we might just go with the family-owned one in Soho.
We're definitely just gonna do that.
Yeah, because this one's too like corporate biggie. Like, we support family-owned businesses. Little Italy. Blue skies. We got plants from a guy selling them in Chinatown.
Yeah,
Look at that. We posted up at this park, and then we have dumplings from Vanessa, and then a jambing, which is just sesame pancake. Yum. Change. I feel like I've seen these like videos on TikTok where girls change outfits like 5 times a day, but this is still casual. Currently walking to Target. Success. Yeah. I got my bagel. I literally haven't had a New York bagel in so freaking long. Look at her. Okay, I got my everything bagel. Big Daddy bite. We're walking to L Train now, and we're gonna go thrifting. Yeah, I saw that. Just got home from running more errands and my feet are killing me. We have walked legit over 8 miles. Let me show you guys. Literally like 9 miles at this point. That's insane. Goodness. Good morning vlog. It is 9 a.m. on a Tuesday and I am all dressed to go to Trader Joe's because the line was redonkulous last night or last evening. Just yesterday at like 7 or 8, it was ridiculous. So I'm going now and hopefully I could get the goods. So wish me luck. Quick overview of everything I got. It was $85. Me and Becky just finished up at the gym. It was a good sesh. We trained legs.
First session back. You know, hot girl summer. We're ready.
Yes. Hello, so I am showered and I am dressed and I'm gonna go shopping with Becky. I'm just wearing this little tank top from PacSun, these funky pants from Urban, and I'm gonna go to the mirror and do a fit check. Fit check. Just So I just got back from shopping. I got a tank top from Urban and then I got 2 dresses from Zara and I want to show you guys. This is the first dress. It's a very hippie print. It's like cute and short. I got a size mediamo. If you wanted to try and get one too. I love it. It looks good with the dark hair. You feel me? Okay, going to try on the second one. This is the second dress. It's like a satin slip dress that's like paisley. There's clearly no boob room as it like squishes my boobs down, but she's cute. Comedy club. Becky, say hi. I do have the Asian girl.
Yeah, she's got some. That's Becky.
That's Becky. Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, and I'm starting my morning off by assembling this desk. Yep, let's see how it goes. It's actually sunny outside. The desk is assembled. Lovely, and it fits perfectly. So right now I'm heading to the gym. It's like 2:30. Got a late start to the day, so oh well. Hi, hello. So right now I got dressed because I'm getting dinner with my little and my G little because I'm so old. But I got this top from Urban yesterday. It's so cute and comfy. And then I have these like straight leg Levi's that I always wear. I thrifted these. Very flattering on the tush. But yeah, this is just the fit. I'm probably just gonna throw on a hoodie and call it a night. But the next time you'll see me, I'll be vlogging on my phone. Good morning. It is Thursday and my boxes came. So I'm just gonna unpack this. Okay, so I unpacked all my stuff and I have my jackets up here with my tote bag, this bin of like little tees. All my pants are down here and half are dresses. And then I need to get another one of these bins from Target for my plethora of hoodies and sweaters. And then I have that bin under for my active wear, but I need another one on the other side. And then I need to organize my shoes. Look how colorful that is. And yeah, I'm gonna go to Target, but this is my fit for today. It's just a black tee and black leggings just because I'm running errands. I don't need to look cute. So catch y'all at Target. The weather outside today is amazing. It's like 68. I have this little Lululemon fanny pack. And yeah. Jesus. Okay, so I just got back from Target. I got another one of these bins for my hoodies, some snacks, and also some decorations for our apartment warming that we're having tomorrow on Friday. And it's gonna be super cute and fun, so looking forward to that. But right now I'm just gonna watch Danielle's vlog and then organize my stuff even more so. So it's like 3 p.m. now. I'm going to the gym. So it's like 7 now and I'm about to head out and grab drinks with a friend. And I'm wearing this, my go-to outfit, just a dress and boots. But my hair be looking really janky because we have no hot water for the shower and it's not gonna be fixed until tomorrow. So I dry shampooed the heck out of her. But yeah, let's go get some drinks. Good morning, friends. Happy Friday. A little hungover. I've been drinking so much from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, tonight, and you damn be sure I'll be going out on Saturday as well, so pray for my liver. Next week is a detox. But it's like almost 10 now. I should get up and make myself some coffee. My lashes look like weird, but okay, I'm gonna get up. Ugh. Hello, it's like 12 p.m. right now. Literally been twiddling my fingers all day, but our shower has been broken for over 24 hours. None of us have showered, therefore I'm wearing a hat, but this is my outfit. This top is from Urban. These shorts are from Urban. My personality is from Urban. But yeah, we're gonna go to a sample sale, go to Trader Joe's, stock up on alcohol because Lord knows we need it. And then we're gonna have an apartment warming later this evening. And yeah, catch y'all on the flip. So we're walking to the sample sale. We got La Cologne, but it's way too milky. It's not the best. It isn't. A waste of $6. No, we're gonna go to 7-Eleven and put ice. I'm gonna put ice in this. But yeah, the weather's so nice. This is my roommate. Introduce yourself.
I feel like I should wait till the
Okay, later tonight. Just got back from running errands and I'm starving. And look at my hair. Oh my god, cat hair. Literally had to shower at my gym because our water has been off for 2 fucking days. Look at us making toilet paper because we have no toilet paper. Yes, get it, girl. Cut that square.
Why are my hands so shaky?
I know, I'm nervous. Camera shy. My hands are
No, I've been carrying so much stuff today.
Yes.
I have no upper body strength.
We're great hosts. Oh my gosh.
Love it.